係啦，咁係啦，唔好意思啊，今日有啲唔舒服，所以就冇得即係 Zoom 同大家 Zoom 都冇同大家見面。咁啊但唔係冇嘢做嘅，今日就都講少少。我想你哋其實尋日都講啦，都係即係我哋嚟緊時間都會操一操下呢一課嘅嘢啦。咁就不如我哋都係啦，我哋今日啦，我哋將29頁同埋29咯，佢哋分開幾日去做啦，30做咩用下？29我哋做下佢啦，OK，即唔係我做，即係我俾啲 hint 大家，咁就即係大家可以嘗試下做下佢，係啦，即係當你睇嘅時候，起碼有個少少概念先。So please turn to page 29 of your logs. First of all, for this type of problems, okay, question 13 and 14, please just expand the brackets, okay, expand the brackets, and after expand the brackets, you can just apply the identities to simplify it. Okay, so just try to expand the bracket first, okay, expand it first. Okay, from 15 and 16, actually the process is very similar to 13 and 14, just also expand the brackets. Okay, expand the brackets. So when you see something that you can expand, just try to expand it. Okay, and when you see something that you can factorize, just try to factorize it. Okay, just try to do something so that you may be able to apply the identities we have learned. Now, one more reminder for the denominator, that should be 1. Okay, and then for divided by tangent theta, I hope you can you can also remember the process. Just turn once again, turn for the tangent theta, turn it to sine over cosine, and then divided by sine over cosine. The next step, I think you should get it. Just turn the division to multiplication. Okay, and then for the question 18, I think that's simple for you. 1 minus cosine times cosine theta plus 1. Okay, over 2 sine and then 3 sine. First of all, you cannot cancel out the upper part and lower part since there is nothing in common, so you cannot cancel it. So for this part, you can just multiply the two denominator and multiply the two numerators and then multiply the two denominators. Okay, just try to multiply the upper part and lower part. Okay, and then for 19 and 20, okay, just be aware of the angles 55 and 35. 90 minus 55 equals to 35. Okay, so that means you can apply the formula or the identities we discussed yesterday to calculate this part. And then for 20, that's simple, 23 and 67, 23. Okay, so turns it into 23, and then when all the angles is 23 degree or all the angles is 67 degree, you can get the answers. Okay, you can get the answers. 21, when you see 90 minus theta, so I think you already know the answers. Turns these into theta. For example, sine 90 minus theta become cosine theta, but with the square here, so square here. Okay, after you turns all the 90 minus theta here, you can simplify the answers. Okay, similar approach for the 22. Okay, and please finish these 10 questions in our lesson, and we will check the answers tomorrow. Yes, we will check the answers tomorrow. Okay, and students, you can also, if you have time, please just also finish the page 30 also. please also finish page 30. Okay, I think that will be your next major homework. Okay, that will be your next major homework. Yes, and I think the quiz may need to postpone to tomorrow. Yes, the short quiz we need to postpone it to tomorrow. Okay, so